back to Skin Talk. Hi, I'm Niambi Jarvis, founder of SkinAuraAI. I'm here today with my number one fan, and I'm her number one fan, Martha Jackson Jarvis, a sculptor extraordinaire. We jumped on because I just finished doing a microneedling session, and she wanted to know what that felt like. We've done nano needling, and I just did a session with plant-based stem cell solution from Ronas. It has callus extract, licorice, portulaca, and it helps to repair and strengthen your skin barrier, soothe your skin, and makes your skin brighter and lifts it up. But on top of it, I just did a Carboxy CO2 therapy. And after needling, your skin is very open, right? And a little irritated. And so we were just talking about that. So I figured, hey, let's just jump on and do a quick Skin Talk episode. So, Mom, yes, I am about to put on an Aftercare soothing gel because that was a very spicy combination after using the stem cells. So I withstood it as long as I can. And, I like to share with people. Some people believe in no pain, no gain. But, hey, our bodies, we have pain for a reason, right? So
Absolutely. The main, it is part of the healing process. It signals to us.
Exactly.
Environment, whether it's beneficial or not.
Right.
It's very powerful. I agree with you.
It is. But, on the flip side, I'd say to people, especially as you start out on your skincare journey, your skin is going to tell you whether or not something is right for you or not, right? And if it starts, I'm in so many different skincare groups and watching and listening to the stories of women. If something is burning you, take it off your face. It's really that simple. If you are not going to a licensed esthetician or a board certified dermatologist, don't be at home burning your skin off.
Yeah.
And that wasn't proper English, but everybody knows exactly. If I said it like that, I said it like that for a reason. So I just took the Carboxy off, and I'm now getting ready to put Aftercare soothing gel on. And this has Centella. It is one of my favorite ingredients. I found it first through this line called 𝐒𝐤𝐢𝐧𝐠. It is a plant extract, and you can put it on your skin. It's used a lot in Asia. licorice line, they also put it in their Cica formula. But if you have any skin irritation, there's even an ointment. I have ordered that as well. It's used also for wound healing. And I find that if something is irritating or too much for my skin, I put that on and it calms it down immediately. So